A career is not built in one day. It's built in phases, each one preparing the next one. And you need a proper structured plan for this. And the journey in our program is exactly structured around this principle. In phase 1, you build strong foundation in tools, plus work on real-world workflows. In phase 2, you get a guided internship in our parent company's ecosystem, which is UCT, Uniconverged Technologies. In the next phase, you contribute to the ongoing projects, not just sample tasks. In phase 4, you get a placement within the same working environment only when you clear PET, which is Placement Eligibility Test. This means you are not ready and then searching. You are evolving while already being a part of the system. No randomness, no let's see what happens next. Your path is mapped with clarity. So it goes like learning, application, contribution, and then employment. This is not a course. This is a career architecture.